Welcome students to class 6th. So we'll start with our first chapter, history, what, where, how and when. Let's go through the exercise part. Note down question answers in your copy and just stick in your book all the match the following, fill in the blanks or whatever exercise which should be filled in book. Okay. So Narmada Valley. What is the right answer? Hunting and gathering. Okay. In the Narmada Valley, what is the right answer? Hunting and gathering. Then Magad, the first big kingdom. Which is the first big kingdom? Magad. Then Garo Hills, early agriculture was started in Garo Hills. Then Indus and its tributaries, the first cities. Okay. Then Ganga Valley, cities about 2500 years ago. This is the right combination. Students, if you have any doubt regarding this chapter, just clear it. List one major differences between manuscripts and inscriptions. So what is the major difference? Manuscripts, they were written by hands. These were usually written on palm leaves or on the specially prepared bark of a tree known as the birch, which grows in the Himalayas. And what is the inscription? These are writings engraved on relatively hard surface. So what is the major difference? That manuscripts are written by hands on palm leaves, whereas inscriptions are written on relatively hard surface such as stones or metal. This is the major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. The next question. Return to Rashida's question. Can you think of some answers to it? When Rashida was reading the newspaper, her eyes fell on a small headline 100 years ago. How, she wondered, could anyone know what had happened so many years ago? So what is the right answer of this? How can we know? Through inscriptions, manuscripts, tools and weapons, and reading the book written in the past. Through this we can know the many things about earlier period. Okay. Then what is the fourth question? Make a list of all objects that archaeologists may find. Which of this could be made of stone? So what are the findings of archaeologists? It can be building made of stone and bricks, then paintings, sculpture, tools and weapons. All this can be the findings of archaeologists. Then pots, pans, ornaments and coins. These all are the findings of archaeologists. Okay. Then the object that could be made of stone and now what will be understanding? What are the findings? These 9 are the findings of archaeologists. Now you have to define which are made of stones. So buildings, tools, weapons and ornaments, they can be made of stones. Okay. The next question. Why do you think ordinary men and women did not generally keep record of what they did? So what is the reason? Why they don't keep record? Unlike the present day, record keeping was not easy in the past. Records were usually maintained by kings to describe their victories in battles. Those records were maintained by inscribing on stones, which were not an easy task that could be carried out by ordinary men and women. So that is the reason why ordinary people are not keeping record. Next question. Describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of king would have been different from those of farmers. In this question you have to give the differences of the life of a king and the life of a farmer. So what is the difference? Kings have absolute power over all his subjects irrespective of their profession, and farmers have no such powers. Second, kings live in palaces and farmers had no such opportunity. Okay. They live in just their small houses. And the next difference, The king was responsible for protecting his kingdom by waging battles, whereas the farmer's responsibility were to grow crops. There is a vast difference between the life of a king and the life of a farmer. So, students, with this our chapter is completed. Just note down the question answers in your copy, and if you are having any doubt, just ask it right now.